Indian natural wood sculpture artist Mr. Ramesh Javir. He is from Maharashtra. There are about 300 natural wood sculptures in the image of birds, different animals, and human beings. He has been collected these natural wood sculptures in his own museum called Javir Kasthashilp Chitra Sangrahalay, Kharsundi. Visit it. Thank you.